Hi everyone. So we're back in Solution Explorer, and we are still in our account opening solution. So my goal now is to actually theme our account opening desktop. So as you saw, it was currently in the dark blue theme, and we would like to change that to a different type of theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on Add and Add Existing. I created a few themes before, so I'm gonna add this dark cyan, red, dark theme, and that's about it. Yes. So after adding these three themes, you can use the themes across all your solutions, across all your apps. You just need to add them to your solution to actually manage them. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and open up our a desktop. So I'm gonna quickly navigate to, for example, the case opening screen. As you can see, here's our desktop, and Apple and the page itself still has the dark blue theme. So to change the theme, you can just quickly go to settings over here. We can quickly select custom. Okay, let's try dark cyan maybe. Okay, let me open this in preview. So, so now this desktop here has been loaded as the dark cyan theme. So as you saw, it's as easy as actually just selecting the theme in your application's config. And so, for example, I can quickly choose a different one. Quickly go to our settings page, then select, for example, the dark red one. Again, okay, maybe let's try this one again. Quickly opening preview for our desktop application. So this one is our dark purple theme. So as you can see, everything is themed again. And for example, if I open the mail picker, everything again is themed according to what your theme was. So what's nice about the theming engine is that you have full control over it. So for example, let's let's quickly create a new custom theme and just change a few things of it based off the dark blue. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to Solution Explorer. I'm going to click on Add New. You select a theme type, solution item, and I'm just going to call this desktop additional. Save, and then you just need to double click on the theme here, and it will open up the theme designer for you. So the theme designer allows you to change the theme and as well as display what the theme should look like. On the left hand side here, we have a normal Bootstrap page. So the first thing to note is that as long as we even integrate with the plugin, so even if the plugins just use normal Bootstrap, your plugin will be themed immediately. You don't have to do anything else. You just need to use Bootstrap and we will be able to theme it. So here on the left hand side, we can see this is our dark blue theme and how everything would look like in our dark blue theme. And then on the right hand side, we have all our themes properties. All these properties are divided in 3 categories, such as the primary, status, and other. So the primary keys of things such as the background and your accent colors. The status keys are some things such as disable, success, warning, and error, and the others are things such as the outline, backdrops, and shadows. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change, I'm going to use our dark blue theme, but I'm going to change our primary accent to something different. So if I click on the primary property, you're able then to change the color as well as the focus color. So if I now go to this button here, and as you can see, it has a color and a focus color, and everything throughout this whole page follows the same strategy. So to be able to change this, I can use color names such as, for example, red. red, I can use X values, or you can use any CSS functions such as RGB, RGBA, HSL, etc. And you can also click on this color here to open a color picker. And for example, I'm gonna make us a dark red primary. So now, as you can see, everything updates live, and if I hover over it, it still has that blue focus color. So all I need to do now is actually just kind of copy this here, paste it there, and just change the intensity of it to a bit something darker. So now if I would hover over it, you can see it still has its primary and a bit darker. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly save my theme. I'm going to close it. I'm going to navigate back to our desktop application. And to apply our new theme, we just quickly go to settings, click here, we then can search for select our desktop additional theme, click save, and go to our previous item. So as you'll see, the app still looks like this dark, the dark blue, but we changed our primary colors to a red. So throughout the whole application, all the primary colors will have red. So in this case, we only have it here, but you can, for example, change the secondary colors. You can change the background of it, and if we want to have a bit of more of effect, we can actually change things such as the background to, let's say, something a bit more lighter than this gray. And if I click save and I just need to refresh here, you can see it will immediately pull the new theme I just saved, and now we have a lot lighter background. So yeah, that's the theming engine. So I'm just going to quickly close all of this and get back to our desktop application, Solution Explorer. I'm sorry, I forgot to actually show you that. Let's say, for example, I'm going to quickly open our DOS desktop here in the Theme Designer. So since all our apps is also built upon the theming engine, you're also able to change the theme of Dex itself. So if I, for example, at the moment, we only give you the option to choose between the dark and the light theme. So for example, I'm now in the Theme Designer, and I can actually, instead of changing the theme of the theme I have currently open, I'm just going to change the theme of Dex itself. So you can click there and you can click toggle theme, and this will then allow me to use the light theme. As you can see, everything updated respectively, but the theme I'm editing did not get affected. Another thing is you can also change app builder's theme. So you can also change this Dex theme to a light if you'd like, but let's quickly open up our app builder process again. And you're then able to press the hotkey, which is F2, and you will have a few different presets we made. For example, I can quickly switch to purple or red or orange. But, for example, if I switch to the purple one, your pages will still reflect the theme you assigned to it in your settings. Also, all the pages of themes according to the theme you set in your settings page, but the app builder itself, as you see, is now completely purple. So if I, for example, select an item, click on here, you'll see that everything has updated respectively to that preset. You can immediately switch the theme by just hitting F2 again, and for example, switching back to blue, red, orange, etc.